Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cartoon animation video in mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser on your mobile phone and you have to search for Pixelabs. And after you have found the Pixelabs website, you can open it. This one guys, pixelabsai.org. Okay, you just need to open up this website and we're going to use this website to create cartoon animation video. You can scroll down and then select the text to video. This one guys, Collapse AI text to video. We're going to use this feature to create cartoon video. Okay, here you can enter your prompt, so the AI will generate a video according to your prompt. You can describe what kind of video you want to create, and for example, I'm just going to type in kids in the magical forest. Okay, and here you can choose the base model. And I'm going to select cartoon since we want to create cartoon animation video. And then you can choose the motion. You can select zoom out, pan left, roll left, and it's up to you. I'm just going to select zoom out. And then you can select the inference tabs. I'm just going to select 4 step and then we can click on generate a video. Okay, and the AI will generate a video for us. Okay, and now the video has been created guys, and this is the result. And if you want to download the video, you can click on this option. This is the final result. Tap on this icon and then click on the 3 dots and click on download and the video will be saved. Okay, that's so easy, right? You just need to describe the video you want to create and then the AI will create cartoon animation video for you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cartoon animation video in mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.